Hello everyone, here in this video I am going to show you that how you can display selected color images on your product page of the Shopify store. On my product page you can see that I have all the images with different colors and you can see the swatches of different colors also. I am interested to display only specific color images on this gallery rather than displaying all the color images. For example, I am choosing this orange color, so only orange color images should be displayed. Other than that, all should be hidden. So let me show you step by step that how you can implement this feature into your Shopify store. So you should go back to the dashboard of your Shopify store, and here you can see that I have installed Horizon theme. If you have any other theme, I have already uploaded the code, so you will be finding the link below in the description, so you can explore it and then download it. For this theme, I have also given the link below in the description, so once you are downloading the code, you will be getting these two files. So you should open documentation.txt. Inside of this file, I have already mentioned all the important steps which I am going to apply in this video. So for example, the first step is update all text of images in the gallery for each product. So that means you should go back to the dashboard again and click on products. And for this video, I am taking the example of winter hoodies. So let me click on this product, and here you can see that we have a lot of different color images in this gallery. And under it, you can see that we have different colors. For example, white, blue, orange, and purple. We need to put these color names to all text of the images inside the gallery. Let's say I'm clicking on this image, and here you can see that we have all text, and inside of it I have added purple. Because this specific image is purple in color, so that's why I added this name. Similarly, if I am going back to the second image, here this is blue, so I added blue. Similarly, if we have any other color, for example white, so I added white, and same way we have orange, and then rest of the images I have also added the color which is relevant to them. So once you finalize all of them, and make sure that you are going to do it for all the products which you have. Once you are done, then you should go back to online store, and here we have the option of these three dots. So click on these three dots and click on edit code. And then after, you should go back to the documentation. So we have the second step, which is go to snippets and open product-media-gallery-content.liquid. So copy the file name from here, and then here you will see that we have multiple folders and files. So you should search here that file name. So you should paste that file name and then click on it. And that way you will be able to open the file here. And inside of it, we need to find this specific loop, which is actually the second loop. So basically we have two loops inside of this file. So we are interested to go to second loop. So press enter key. So you can see that this is 2 of 2. That means this is the second loop. And inside of it, we have li opening tag. And in this opening tag, we are going to add a line of code, which is this one. So let me copy this line of code, go back here, press enter key, and then paste that line of code. This is actually an attribute which is helping us to identify the image color, all right, through all text. Once you have added that, then after you should go to the third step, which is add below code at the bottom of same file, product-media-gallery-content.liquid. So I'm going to copy this whole bunch of code till the bottom, and then let me copy it and then paste it at the bottom of this same file. So let me scroll down to the bottom and then paste it here. So once you paste it, then after, you should actually save the changes, and then go back to the dashboard again, click on edit theme, and here we have a few settings which we have to keep in mind. So let me click on shop. So scroll down, let me take the example of the product which I already considered. I am back to the product page, and now you can see that we have default product. You can also click on products, and here we have the default product. So here you can see that change is already applied, but make sure that you should click on product media and then select grid, and then select this specific option. Actually, this is the toggle button, so you should enable it because this is helping us to display the first image as a bigger image, And then for mobile pagination, whatever settings you have, you can keep it. And also you need to uncheck this toggle, which is hide unselected variant media, and then save the changes. And that's it. Now let me show you. For example, earlier we have all these images displayed. So let me refresh it. And here we go. Now you can see that only selected color images are displayed. If I'm going to blue, so only blue color images are displayed. If I'm selecting white, only white. And then similarly we have purple color, so only purple color images are displayed. So you can apply this feature into your Shopify store also. So for other designs, I already uploaded the videos. I will be adding the links below in the description. Let me know if you're facing any issues or something, and if you have any new feature to develop, or you have a new store and you want a new section into that, I will be adding the contact details below in the description. So you can message me. I will help you out in that. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you're new on this channel, then please subscribe this channel. Also like this video. Thank you once again. See you in the next video.